Welcome back, guys. When we speak about big sporting events, one of them is Olympics. And we have already going on Olympics for 2020, which were supposed to be in 2020 and are being played now in 2021. While looking at the medals table, we must go to multiple websites and track the status. For example, going to Olympics website, check the status, etc. If you're too busy in your work and you don't want to scroll across the websites, it's very easy that you can pull the feedback of the numbers and the status of the medals live in your Excel. Very simple and straightforward, and I will explain it to you very easy, and you can do it in minutes. So let's quickly move directly to not just to our Excel, but first let's move to our browser. So first of all, you need to search the link from where we will pull in the numbers. So if I write Olympics 2021, it will take me to Olympics website directly. So I will click over there, and on this website you will find multiple things, multiple features, etc., etc. And you can find on this Tokyo 2020, which are going on now. And here you can click on the medals. You must see this medals. Click on the medals and you will be able to see all the latest list of the medals and scores. So I will copy this particular link, Control C, simple as that, and now I'll go to my Excel. And in Excel, very simple and easy, go to Data tab, and in Data tab you will find Get Data on the extreme left hand side. When you click on the Get Data, you will get a lot of options. You can see here online services, other sources, etc., etc. So where do we need to get it from? If you remember, from a website, from web. So I'll click on the web, and it's very simple and easy. It will in seconds show you the pop-up menu where you can paste the link for the medals. If you remember, this was the link on the top, as you can see. So we copy pasted the link here. We will simply press OK. Your Excel will take a little bit of time to connect with that particular website, which is olympics.com in this case, and then it will gradually fetch the tables from that particular website. Now on your screen, in a few moments, it will show you the tables. You can select multiple tables from here, or you can pick up one. Which one is more relevant? As I can see very clearly from the name description, medals standings. This is what we need. Simply, I will load. Click on the load button and it will give me a data. So here we go. This is the latest status of Olympic medals on the Olympics website, which is now directly connected with your Excel. It takes a little bit of time and it can fetch. Now you can see the gold, bronze and silver, 1, 2 and 3, and the ranking by the country as well, and each country's medals here as well. You can change this by putting out medals. And when we speak of medal, the first one is gold, the second one is bronze, and the third one is silver. So here we are, gold, bronze and silver. And then you can refresh it anytime you want. Just save this file onto your computer and you can enjoy the scores live while working. You don't have to jump and shift and waste time. I hope you like it, guys. While we are speaking about Olympics, you can see there are other multiple pages as well that you can utilize. For example, we have athletes. You can click on it and you can fetch out the athletes detail, and this is also a table. You can copy the link and fetch it onto your computer as well. You can also look at the schedules here on this website, and these are also fetchable, so you can bring that in your Excel as well. You can find the results and schedule here as well, and most importantly, you can find at the very end fan zone part. Fan zone part is very interesting. I'm very sure you will be very interesting in playing some games and predicting and winning prizes over there. So I will encourage you to go and make your bet, and maybe you'll be the lucky one. And if you win, don't forget to comment on the video as well. So I will encourage you to go and participate, guys. Enjoy this while you're enjoying the Olympics. I wish you all the very best. Take care of yourself. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to it, and do share your comments and feedbacks with me as well. I wish you all stay safe, take care of yourself, and I look forward to speak to you very soon. Till then, bye bye.